5-incher. That's what I was looking for. They are in here. Oh, we spooked him. Don't even worry about him. Need to find a place that the mangroves are blocking the sun, where it's nice and shaded. I'm just trying to see what they're sitting on, like what kind of structure, if they're near the mangroves or they're just cruising. That red was just cruising. Badass creek right here. Look at all those mullet.
That looks like a redfish now.
Oh, there's a red.
There was a red in
Yep, there was one red. This has got to be where the fish would hold up in, you would think. Look at all the fish.
Like a feeding.
Look at them all. You tell me a redfish wouldn't live in this?
I love this.
Look at all the mullet. There's a tree right there.
There's caving in here.
Wow.
Snows the red.
We might have to walk through there and see what's on the other side.
Yeah, I'm down.
Because I don't think... Trout. It's an insane head shake like a ladyfish. But it's fighting like something different. It doesn't feel like a trout at all. It's a big mackerel. It's a massive mackerel. It's like a 23-inch mackerel. Snap it. There you go. It's a big ass mackerel. That's a huge mackerel. Holy crap. Trout? What the hell? It's tiny. Oh, it's a good sign at least. It's the right species. Oh. Okay. That was a 20-incher. Told you they like the thunders. It's a better size. It's not a keeper. Probably 13. An aggressive little thing. Everywhere. See, look at it. Oh shit. You gotta do the trolling motor. You gotta be kidding me. Can you lift the motor? Lift the motor. Alright. Okay. What is going on? Make sure that trolling motor's off. Hey, just don't touch it. Let me. Need to wrap around it, did he?
Yeah, hold on. It's on.
Kill it. Did it wrap my line? Thank God. Alright. Jesus, this fish is crazy. It better be a snook after all this. It is a big snook. Oh, it's a big ass red. Get the net. All that for a redfish. Big ass red. Holy shit. Don't put the net in the water yet. Let me get him on the surface. That is a 30-incher all day. Move him.
He's a big boy.
A big ass red. Look at the size of that fish.
Man, that's a monster red, bro.
Seems to want to go this way. Okay, it broke it on the trolling motor or something, and it wrapped around the freaking prop on the back. It's like, he made such a mess. He's at least 32.
At least he's a big boy.
I can barely lift to that. Try to grab the line. Now you ready to net him? Oh, he's over 30 all day.
Monster, bro.
Yeah, that's a big fish.
That's that red you were talking about. Monster,
That's
bro.
a 31-inch red. red right in the mullet school. Little baby one. Aren't they pretty though? There's so much. That actually might be a keeper. And it's right at 17, I bet. Whoop, get in the boat. A little bit bigger than the dinks I was catching all winter. 16, yeah. That's still a healthier fish. This actually looks like the one that was in that school. It's a beautiful tail. Let's see where he goes. Disappeared. Right off that drop off. Nope, another 16 or 17. He's even smaller than the last one actually. He's right on that little ledge. Actually, he's a little fatter. Still short. Jesus Christ. Why do they want to run under the boat? He just hauled ass. He's like, oh, boat, let me go that way. Jesus. It's a big one. He's bigger than I thought he was. I thought it was a baby. Jesus Christ. God, that was such a pain in the ass. Oh my God, he's up there. Got him out. Oh, he's back in. Damn, he's bigger than I thought. Shit. He's going way up in there. I got him out though. Might be over slot again. Talk about getting lucky again. He went all the way up in the mangroves and I pulled him out. He's over. 28. That'd be a tournament fish if he's a freaking 27. I don't know. He looks like an overslot again. We can't keep a keeper fish, huh? They always look bigger in the water and then you get them in and it's actually a perfect 27. That's what I'm hoping. Yeah, I think he actually might be top slot. You can't get better fishing than that. I mean, that is a beautiful fish. Took me all the way up in the mangrove too. Alright, get him. He's on the surface, he's ready. Put the net under him. That's a perfect 27, I think. He might be right at... He's bigger, isn't he? He's gonna be another too big. With our luck, he's gonna be right at 27 and a half. Barely hooked. That's a beautiful fish. Belly on him too. Keeper.
That's a fatty right there.
Your redfish. You got that? Yeah, it's right on this point where the current comes around the little dinky flounder. Yeah, there's a trout on the whole time. Little dinky thing. We just, yeah. Look, I touched a trout. Now all we need is a snook for its flail. It felt like a big one when he hit. Come on, be a keeper. It feels bigger. That's a keeper all day. There we go. Sweet. Hey, you didn't lie. There are fish here. It's about time you did something. Even though I caught every fish today.
At least I was able to put you on the trout.
But it's that gulp and thunder again. I don't know when you're going to switch to it. It amazes me that you catch fish when I'm not here. I'm like, damn, if I was there those days. That's a big one. Another keeper. Found the trout. That's a big trout. Big trout. Wow. You weren't kidding, they're big. Man, you gonna catch a fish today? How big is he? What is he, 17? That's a good one. Can you reel that in? I was just pulling a gulp behind the boat and something grabbed it. Yeah, it's a red. For a $30 reel that's at least 5 years old. Not quite a keeper. Yeah. Oh my god, he got a fish! It's a keeper too. Hell yeah. Are you sold on the gulps yet? It's like you only casted like what, 5 casts with the technique I told you to use?
Yeah, about 3.
You went all day long without using it. Wow. Your first cast. Look at that, you caught a fish. Move to the redfish spot. Catch one. Is that a good one? That's a slot. There you go. You're in your zone now. That's a keeper. Got a red on artificial. Look at that. It worked. Actually, that looks like a snook. It's a snook. We got a slam! And it might be a slot. We could keep it. Get the net. It's actually a little under slot, I think. Yes, snook loves spoons, that's for sure. Snook are strong. Yeah, it's a little short. Doing some backcountry fishing. That's pretty cool. Finally put my boat to use, huh? Just under slot. Like
Slot 28, 34.
32.
32.
Yeah.
Beauty,
Yeah, hold them up. Nice little fish. Feel like a snook. And it's flying. Might be our slot red. Please be a bigger one. No, it's a little dinky one. Dang it. It's fun on a spoon though. At least we know they're hungry. They're bigger. It's doing a lot of splashing, so it's probably a little one. Well, that's right at 18.